Alright, this is how to assemble a Nova Quadrotor frame. Go ahead and grab one of the interface plates, one of the 3/8 screws, put it into one of the center pieces here. Go ahead and grab an arm, put it on the very end, grab the other interface plate, and just line up the inner holes. Kind of have to get it in view here. There we go. Grab one of the nuts and just tighten it down by hand. Just snug. We'll tighten them up later. Okay, so you have that. Grab another arm. Go ahead and slide it in. Line up the holes roughly. Another 3/8 screw. And flip it over. Another nut on the back. Alright, 2 more times. Don't worry about alignment. We'll get the alignment here after everything's assembled. Kind of repetitive. Last but not least, alright, those are done. Next we'll go with the standoffs. You want to grab the male standoff first. Go from the bottom into the outside set of holes. Slide it up and through. Grab the female standoff and thread them tight. These are long to give some strength. And again, it's repetitive. Go around the whole quad. One male from the bottom, one female from the top. Thread them together. Okay, and last one. Alright, now before we put the top and bottom plate on, we'll want to tighten these up. Go ahead and just hold the nut with your finger. You just want to get these nice and, it's a little snug, so flathead screwdriver, just a little tighter, so the screw is protruding out of the bottom of the nut. And you can just hold that nut by hand. You don't need to grab some wrenches or pliers. Alright, now we'll go ahead with the top plate. Go ahead and set the top plate down. And it'll take these nylon 1/4 inch long screws. They're a standard head, so just keep that out. And again, a little repetitive. This is the top cover plate that will protect your electronics in the event that you end up upside down. There are 4 screws, 4 pass-through holes in the plate that you did not populate. Those are the 4 holes to hold either the Booz electronics, or they're also the same holes that hold the Ascentec Fun Pilot. Okay, those are tight. Flip it over. Go ahead and install your bottom plate, which acts as the battery holder. You're going to want to switch to a Phillips drive. There are 4 metal screws that go on the bottom here. That's to give you a little bit more strength down here, because this is what we land on. So just 4 Phillips screws here. Tighten them down. And what you'll be left with is 16 metric fasteners, and those are meant for your motors. Go ahead and supply those. That way you have the right length for this frame. You don't have to cut them or go out and try to source them yourself. So in about 5 minutes or so, you have yourself a complete Nova Quadrotor frame, ready for motors and electronics of your choosing. I do suggest the Booz electronics. it will fly a autonomous quadrotor for less than $1,000. And there you go, one assembled Nova quadrotor frame.